Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on a Black Shark 5 Pro. So in order to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store. From here begin the search for an app. Enter Google Classroom. Start the search. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open this app. Here go for Get Started. Choose the account you want to use for this app and then OK. Now click on this plus button, move to join the class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.